In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to transfer money from a virtual Visa card to your PayPal account, allowing you to add funds quickly and securely. First, open your web browser and go to paypal.com. Once on the homepage, locate the login button at the top right corner and click it. Enter your registered PayPal email and password carefully. Then click Login to access your account dashboard. Once logged in, navigate to the Pay and Get Paid tab, then click on the Wallet section. Inside Wallet, locate the Banks and Cards area, which manages all linked cards and bank accounts. To link your virtual Visa card, click on Link a Card and carefully enter your card details, including card number, expiration date, and security code. Double check everything to avoid errors, and then click Link Card. PayPal may require verification of your card, so follow any on-screen instructions to complete this step. After your card is linked, return to the Wallet tab and click on Balance. Here, you will find the option to add money to your PayPal balance. Click on this, then select your virtual Visa card from the list of linked cards. Enter the amount you wish to transfer, making sure your card has sufficient funds. For faster transactions, choose the option to transfer instantly with debit, which adds the money immediately. Follow any remaining on-screen prompts to finalize the transfer. Once completed, your funds will appear in your PayPal balance, ready for use in purchases, sending money, or other transactions. Using a virtual Visa card is a convenient and secure method to top up your PayPal account, giving you more flexibility in managing your online finances. Make sure to keep your card information safe and verify details carefully during each step to avoid any issues. This method is perfect for those who want to add funds without using a traditional bank account, making online payments more accessible and efficient. Now you can confidently transfer money from your virtual Visa card to PayPal, giving you instant access to your funds. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide has helped you make the process smooth and simple. Happy linking.